Saudi Arabia's Neom megaproject is a groundbreaking endeavor that is redefining the concept of urban development. With an astounding $500 billion investment, Neom is rapidly taking shape and capturing global attention. This video explores the remarkable progress and future plans of Neom, emphasizing its innovative features and ambitious goals. The Neom megaproject, a futuristic city, is captivating audiences worldwide with its awe-inspiring growth. Satellite imagery reveals the impressive construction progress achieved in 2023, showcasing a 100-mile-long linear city, an extraordinary ski resort, and an industrial complex floating over the Red Sea, among numerous other pioneering developments. Delving deeper into the progress of Neom, this video unveils the project's remarkable advancements and future endeavors. These include the implementation of an AI-powered healthcare system, the establishment of a green hydrogen production plant, and ambitious conservation efforts aimed at restoring wildlife to its natural habitat. The first phase of Neom's construction is projected to cost $320 billion, with half of this sum being financed through the nation's sovereign wealth fund. At the heart of Neom lies The Line, a magnificent 500-meter-tall mega-metropolis comprising two mirror-like glass structures spanning 170 kilometers. This architectural marvel traverses the desert, mountains, and coastline, with interconnected walkways linking the two buildings. Neom's advanced transportation infrastructure promises to be one of the most monumental and intricate projects in history. Notably, agreements have already been reached with leading construction firms, Ecom and Bechtel, solidifying the foundation for this extraordinary undertaking. Among the notable regions within Neom, Sindalah stands out as a picturesque island destination, serving as a gateway to the Red Sea and offering distinctive maritime experiences. This resort boasts 3 luxurious hotels and is tailored for high-end travel. With a sprawling marina and approximately 750 rooms and flats, Sindalah aims to become the premier destination for superyachts. Visitors will enjoy a host of contemporary amenities, including upscale shops, yacht clubs, spas, and wellness centers. Sindalah's marine ecosystem is also a point of pride, as it is anticipated to house 2,000 unique species of marine life, many of which are native to the Red Sea and exclusive to this region. Furthermore, Saudi Arabia has demonstrated unparalleled commitment by designating 95% of its land for conservation, ensuring the restoration of wildlife to their natural habitats. This exemplifies Neom's dedication to creating a sustainable and harmonious environment. Let us now explore Trojena, another significant component of Neom. Located 50 kilometers off the coast of the Gulf of Qaba, Trojena is a vast ski resort and outdoor attraction. Nestled amidst the magnificent peaks of the Neom region, some towering over 2,600 meters above sea level, Trojena offers visitors an exceptional skiing experience. The progress footage showcases the construction of a mountain climbing road, leading to what will undoubtedly become a world-class ski resort. With the Asian Winter Games scheduled for 2029, the completion of the resort by 2026 is eagerly anticipated. The grand vision for Neom encompasses a desert city that will accommodate up to 9 million people by 2045, featuring year-round skiing, artificial freshwater lakes, chalets, and ultra-luxury hotels. In Neom's quest for excellence, the Octagon emerges as a notable endeavor. This manufacturing and industrial complex will float over the Red Sea, operating solely on renewable energy. Equipped with cutting-edge technologies such as the Internet of Things, IoT, human-machine fusion, artificial intelligence, AI, and robotics, the Octagon is poised to become one of the world's most advanced logistics centers. By 2030, it is expected to provide housing for 90,000 people. Architects are already laying the groundwork for the first homes, ensuring Neom's residential areas are built on a solid foundation. Neom's integration with the Suez Canal further amplifies its significance as a global trade hub. By connecting Saudi Arabia and Egypt, this man-made waterway serves as a conduit for trade between Asia, Europe, and North Africa. The fusion of Neom and the Suez Canal opens up immense possibilities for economic growth and collaboration. Inoa, the firm responsible for overseeing Neom's sustainable energy and water systems, is currently constructing the world's largest green hydrogen production plant. This environmentally friendly endeavor demonstrates Neom's commitment to pioneering sustainable solutions. Neom's investment of $175 million in future transportation has led to collaborations with innovative companies like Volocopter, an urban air mobility startup specializing in environmentally friendly air taxis. This partnership envisions a new era of urban air mobility, enabling faster and greener transportation options for Neom residents. Although Neom offers seamless travel within its regions, Volocopters are primarily designed as taxis or cargo carriers. To promote innovation and skill development, Neom and McLaren joined forces to revolutionize the electrical motorsports sector in September 2022. This collaboration highlights Neom's dedication to fostering cutting-edge technologies and expertise. Smart cities epitomize the future of high-tech services, with their agility in responding to unique needs and demands. Neom aims to surpass the conventional smart city paradigm by establishing the world's most advanced smart city system. Governed by the NEOS operating system, Neom will incorporate personalization and autonomous technologies. Humanoid interfaces will engage visitors, acting as gateways to human experts in various domains. For instance, a robot receptionist will seamlessly connect individuals with jet boating experts, exemplifying Neom's commitment to exceptional customer experiences. The Neom megaproject extends its influence to diverse industries, including media. Over the past 18 months, Neom has collaborated with renowned organizations such as BBC and NBC, supporting 25 productions. Despite garnering criticism regarding viability and human rights allegations, Neom's supporters emphasize its core objective: to build a sustainable future city that relies entirely on renewable energy and carbon-free water technologies. The complexity and ambition of Neom cannot be understated, yet strong progress is being made, bringing the visionary project to life. Neom Airlines. Saudi Arabia has recently unveiled its plans for Neom Airlines, a project aimed at enhancing business, sustainability, and tourism in the region. Scheduled to commence operations in 2024, Neom Airlines will initially operate from the existing Neom Bay Airport before transitioning to the upcoming Neom International Airport. While the airline will initially utilize its existing fleet, it has ambitious plans to invest in state-of-the-art, ultra-modern aircraft starting from 2026. The future Neom Airlines aims to revolutionize air travel by introducing supersonic next-generation aircraft powered entirely by hydrogen. With a focus on redefining in-flight entertainment, Neom Airlines promises a remarkable passenger experience. Travelers can expect amenities such as 6G Wi-Fi, large screens at every seat, in-seat gaming, and chat technology integrated into the aircraft. Furthermore, the airline is dedicated to optimizing sustainability in every aspect of its operations, from the interior furnishings of the planes to the utensils and cups used during in-flight service. The timing of Neom Airlines' launch is crucial, as the opening of resorts in Neom is scheduled for early 2024. Being operational by that time will allow the airline to cater to the anticipated influx of visitors to the region. Neom International Airport. Neom International Airport, the designated hub for Neom Airlines, embodies the futuristic vision of the entire Neom project. Striving to eliminate tedious departure procedures and visa requirements, the airport plans to implement biometric facial recognition at all entry points, ensuring a seamless traveler journey. The esteemed construction engineering company, ECOM, has been entrusted with the development of Neom International Airport. Their responsibilities include overseeing testing, commissioning, as well as ensuring operational readiness and a smooth transition for the airport. Situated in the northwestern region of Saudi Arabia, the Neom International Airport project site is currently home to over 1,500 full-time employees from 65 different nationalities. The diversity of the workforce highlights the global significance of this project. Once Neom opens its doors to visitors, it will undoubtedly serve as a captivating example of architectural and sustainable design. The impact of this groundbreaking project is likely to inspire similar ventures around the world. leaving a lasting imprint on the future of travel and urban development. In conclusion, Neom Airlines, with its focus on sustainability, technological advancements, and seamless travel experiences, is set to become a pivotal player in transforming Saudi Arabia into a thriving tourist destination. By combining luxury with futuristic innovation, the Neom project is poised to revolutionize the way we view travel and inspire sustainable design worldwide. With an aim to attract top international talent across various sectors, Neom offers lucrative incentives, reportedly paying its top executives up to $1.1 million annually. Visionaries who embrace Neom's vision commit to a future devoid of traditional roads and vehicles, replaced by flying taxis and a high-speed rail system boasting a remarkable 20-minute end-to-end travel time. Holograms and robotic avatars are poised to permeate daily life, adding an extra dimension of innovation. Saudi Arabia's Neom mega project has captivated the world with its audacious vision and remarkable progress in 2023. The ongoing development signifies a bold step toward building a sustainable future city that embraces cutting-edge technology and harmonizes with nature. As Neom pushes the boundaries of human ingenuity, it invites global audiences to witness the birth of a pioneering endeavor. To stay updated on Neom's journey, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments section below. Your feedback is invaluable to us as we continue to bring you valuable content. Thank you for watching.